Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Webgl build inside Unity. Open Build Settings, switch to Webgl now, and pick a compression method, gzip or Brotli, because browsers expect decompressed assets. Enable Development Build and Auto-Connect Profiler for live debugging and faster iteration. Also pick an appropriate Webgl template for your runtime needs. Once done, click Build and Run to export the folder. Make sure your Unity version and Webgl module are installed. This avoids mismatched runtime errors when you serve the files. You must serve the build over HTTP, file// will fail. Start a local server, Python m HTTP, server 8000 or npm HTTP server, /build p8000. Because you chose compression, configure your server to send correct content encoding and content type headers so the browser can decompress files. Once running, open the URL in Chrome or Edge, open DevTools, and disable cache. Watch console and network tabs for missing resources, 404s, or decompression errors. Make adjustments and rebuild as needed to iterate quickly. You finish by validating the release Webgl build. Run the release build on your local server, profile memory and CPU with the browser profiler and Unity's profiler if connected, and verify load times and stability. If something fails, the most common issue is incorrect server headers for br/gz or missing, data/wasm files, fix server config and retry. If the app freezes, check console for WebAssembly compile errors. Increase Webgl memory size and rebuild. These steps close the loop so you reliably test Unity, Webgl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.